Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix character AI login or sign up issues. Let's get started. Most of the time, if you're unable to log in or sign up, it's due to server maintenance, temporary crashes on character AI side. Simply wait it out and try again after some time. These issues are usually resolved quickly. If the issue persists, here's a step-by-step browser fix. Go to the Character AI website, right-click anywhere on the page, select Inspect from the menu. In the panel that opens, click on the Application tab. On the left side, find and click Storage. Under Cache Storage, click it and then click Clear Site Data. This clears out all cache data which may be causing the issue. Now go back and try logging it again. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.